A wave is traveling from air to the medium Q, and you are given the wavefront diagram, and in this diagram, according to this diagram, you have to find out the refractive index of Q. So first of all, we must transform this wavefront diagram to the ray diagram. And remember one thing, the ray of a wave is always perpendicular to the wavefront, which means that this is the direction of a wave which is going towards the right. And in the same manner, this is the circular wavefront, and the ray will be perpendicular to the wavefront at any point. So let's draw the normal at this boundary of air and medium Q. Normal is a perpendicular dotted line to the surface. And now the next step is to draw the incident wave ray. Okay, and as you see that this is the wavefront of uh, this wave in the air, and what will be the incident ray? It must be at an angle 90 to the wavefront, because ray is always at an angle 90. So let's draw at 45 degrees. For example, this is the incident ray of light. So you can draw all of these are all red are incident ray of light, which means you can consider that the wave was coming from air and it's just about to enter in the medium Q. So these are the waves. So in question, this angle is given 45 degrees. This is the incident wavefront, and this one is the incident ray. If this angle is 45 degrees, then this angle must also be 45 degrees according to the law of reflection. So what is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is always measured with the normal. So that must be 45 degrees. So this is our angle of incidence. Now next step is to find out the angle of refraction, because this wavefront and this wave is entering into the medium Q. So remember, these wavefronts are showing the refracted wavefronts, and in the question this angle is given 30 degrees. So for instance, I am just removing this wavefront, and we must draw the perpendicular line to the wavefront in order to see that what is the direction of the refracted light or wave. So the line that I'm drawing right now is the in refracted ray, which is perpendicular to the refracted wavefront, and you see clearly that this angle is 90, this angle is 30 degrees. So 90, 30, and then this angle must be 60 degree in order to make total angle 180. But what is the angle of refraction? Is that angle which our refracted light or refracted wave makes with a normal. So you see that this should be 30 degrees because the total angle is 90. So we saw that the light is bending towards the normal. It means that the medium Q should be a denser or a higher refractive index medium. So now let's apply Snell's law on it. So wave is going from air to medium Q. So NA sine theta I incidence angle is equals to NQ sine theta R refracted angle. Let's substitute the values. NA is always 1 sine 45 degrees is equals to NQ, and sine we just saw it is 30 degrees. So the right answer is option B, which is the ratio of these two sine angles.